made it to Willow Springs. I didn't really do an introduction in the video when I was home. I just kind of shot straight over here. I've already unloaded everything off the car. Disclaimer, it's super windy out here in Willow Springs and I hear a lot of wind noise. I apologize, there's nothing I can do about it, but yeah, we're here on Willow. It's kind of like not a close track day, but buddies, you know, all of us, we ended up renting out skid pad and should be fun, man. I see a lot of Nissans, one BMW, some Vets. I'll do a walk around of all the cars pretty soon, but that's we're gonna have driver's meeting soon, probably tech inspection. I'm already wristband out, ready to go. Let's go check out some cars. Fancy guy. Everyone's car. They're so nice. Got the homie 46. We got apparently a drift vet. We got a Cressetta. I don't know what this is. I don't know cars. I saw it though. I don't know what this is.
You ready, George?
I'm ready. I already unloaded and taped my terminal. Being a nerd and decided to park at the track so we get a picture in with everybody posted up. Oh, that's gonna be driving today. Super dope, cool guys. I need to get a body kit, man. Everyone's looking too damn good out here. I'm gonna try to go to like 15 PSI cold, and it should go up to like 20 PSI once I warm up the tire. So it's at 20, let's go a little lower. There you go. Now they're both matching. We're all set. First lap out, I'm already f***ing up. Well, I tapped the green box. It's cool though. I think that'd be enough since he's just gonna drive out. Good enough.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, sir. Yep.
We're good. All right, so I'm out of breath. I'm just gonna zip tie this back on so it doesn't wangle and flap around, and that should be good enough. If you see the clearance on this, it ain't too much off. It ain't too bad, so we're good. Yeah, I already took it out. It'll be fine. see me crash? I just crashed. I just crashed. All I'm worried about is my fuel cell. The exhaust looks good. Everything looks good. I didn't break the top hats, which I was kind of looking at that. We're good, man. And we keep driving. The car is still absolutely ripping. I don't even know what to say for this vlog, man. I'm just here to drive and get some seat time. I just finished putting on some freshies. I already killed one set of tires. These are kind of Denzos. I was kind of gliding all over the place. But we're gonna drop these to like 10 PSI, then warm them up. We're gonna do one more lap. Put you guys right here, see how it goes. Take it. Ready? The car is performing super awesome. I started spilling a little bit of power steering just because I overfilled it, so I just wiped that down real quick. Other than that, the car's performing pretty awesome, man. My only complaint is I forgot my strut bar, so I'm kind of like teeter-tottering in the front, but other than that, car's whipping, car's being amazing. I hope the head cam footage looks really great, but yeah, man, I'm super happy with this car. I added some preload to the front, so maybe the boating would be a little less. We'll see. I have it all the way soft in the rear, so it should grip up a little better. I'm not really rubbing too much. I am a little bit, but that's way better than the old crap suspension that I used to have in here. I'm gonna see if I'm leaking anything fuel related. Now, see my battery, bungee cord. Oh no, that's bad. I'm gonna fix that real quick. Bro, watch, I'll let you look at it. It's held on by the negative battery terminal.
Oh man.
God damn it. How should I hold it? Get away. Man, cut the clip. All All right, so we ended up strapping it to the chassis, up and over into one of the welds that I did. It should work for now. I'll figure that out later. We'll see. He said, relax. Dude, I have not been vlogging, boys. It's probably been like 4 hours since the last time I recorded. I got a lot of decent like clips of me running. All in all, successful day. I've never had so much seat time in one day, but the engine is giving me a weird breakup issue. My guess is that I melted this coil wire because it touches the header directly. So it might be causing something weird with spark and stuff. I went to go fill up my gas tank to full to see if it's like just for my fuel cell gas like sloshing around. But it doesn't look like it. I really hope I can make a video out of this. I don't know. It's just a lot of just driving clips and absolutely no talking at all. If I can't make a vlog, it's fine. I got a lot of seat time, man. It's great, but oh man, drifting's good, dude. If you guys ain't drifting and you're first wheel drive, what are you doing, man? What are you doing? But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends, man. Tell them. Tell them.
What? Tell your friends.
Yeah.